I was given a bag of these 100mm round coasters. They are MDF with a cork backing. Can I make them usable? Let's have a go. So I decided to laminate some decent timber to the tops of the coasters. I had some thin pieces of coachwood left over, so they were glued to the tops, then roughly trimmed to shape at the bandsaw. The challenge was to finish them off round to match the coasters. I could have used a pattern bit on the router table, but I just wasn't that comfortable with the solution. Off to the CAD program, and I came up with this pivoting arm, which I then 3D printed. It is mounted on a flat board at the disc sander. The coasters fit snugly in the mount, which has a cutout to allow you to approach the sanding disc. I incorporated a stop, which provides for accurate adjustment of the radius being sanded. And because the arm pivots, you can slowly move into the final dimension, taking the high spots off first. And here is the end result. Some oil and wax, and they don't look too shabby at all. Now to find some more thin pieces of scrap. Thanks for watching. Comments are always appreciated, and I'll catch you all soon.